Everyone, we are group 11 and we have group members Su Yang and Wei Tao, and we are going to give a presentation about hybrid cars. So what are hybrid cars? In fact, before this presentation, I didn't really have much idea about it. So I checked it online, and it's saying that hybrid cars are powered by two sources: internal combustion engine as well as electric motor. One thing I find quite amazing about electric motor is that they are charged by the movement of the wheels, which is like a complex system that including a regenerative braking system that can convert the kinetic energy to other form of energy to store in the battery. Oh yeah, so here is one example about it. Like the hybrid car it's the same as a normal car. It has a generator, but yeah, it has a battery as the normal says, and it looks still quite beautiful. Yeah, so now we are on the most important part of this presentation, how hybrid cars works. And you can see here's the battery, and that's quite essential, as well as the engine. And then for a normal car, that you will use a gasoline power cars. In fact, it's gasoline supplied to the engine, and then that energy will be used in transmission. But then for electric power car, the battery will provide electrical energy, and then that energy will be used in transmission. But for hybrid cars, we couldn't really just put those two systems directly under the hood. It has two ways to connect those circuits. It could be connected parallel or series. For parallel ones, both of the sources will be given power to the transmission. And then for series connection hybrid, the combustion engine will provide will power a dual-purpose generator. Yeah, and then electric power will be produced by the generator and either to recharge the battery or supply it to the transmission. Yeah, and then here's the fuel efficiency. It has fuel efficiency because of the regenerative braking will store the kinetic energy at brake. This way decreases emission and fuel consumption.
Hi everyone, I'm Wei, and I will focus especially on the Toyota Prius. The Prius is an excellent example in hybrid car industry. Toyota started the sale in 1997 in Japan, so it is the first mass-produced hybrid vehicle in the world. And nowadays, Toyota makes more concern on hybrid vehicle development. Prius has become the most popular hybrid car model and accepted by more and more customers nowadays. And now we'll talk about the power supply of Prius. The hybrid cars are supplied based on the gasoline and the electricity two ways. And according to the official website of Toyota, the gasoline consumption figure of the Prius 5 is about 48 miles per gallon for city and 52 miles per gallon for highway. And this is a picture about the battery pack from the second generation Prius. And the car is described as the biggest user of rare earths of any object in the world. And the battery is less than 50 pounds. It's not very heavy for a car, and the battery stores the power transformed from kinetic energy to electricity. And when the gasoline is almost running out, or you want to use the electricity to run the car, you can simply switch to the battery supply. And now it's about the class connection time. This is the pictures from the lecture 10. It's talking about the DC AC machinery fundamentals and the rotating magnetic field. So the left picture is the brushless PM AC for Prius, and the right is about the rotating magnetic field for AC machines. It talks about how the magnetic field can run the model. This is the sales data table for Prius from 1997 to recently. And we can see that the sales number of the Prius is increasing almost every year. And we can notice that hybrid cars are well accepted by more and more car customers. Okay, that's all about today's presentation. And here is the amazing video connection here. You can check the high technology figures of Toyota Prius here. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can post on comment on the discussion part. Thanks.